DJI is showing no signs of slowing down. Just as the buzz around the Osmo 360, Nano, and Mic 3 was building, new leaks have pointed to what could be DJI's next major release, the Mini 5 Pro. With early photos, fresh performance rumors, and a possible launch date, there's a lot to unpack, especially if you're a drone enthusiast or creator looking to stay ahead of the curve. Initially, most people expected DJI to launch the Mini 5 Pro in September 2025, consistent with their usual release pattern. But a new report from the reliable Jasper Allens suggests otherwise. According to a well-connected source with a perfect track record so far, DJI is preparing to unveil the Mini 5 Pro on August 7, 2025, a full month earlier than expected. While the date hasn't been double confirmed, the leak is credible enough to be taken seriously. If true, we're just weeks away from the official reveal. We've seen not one, but two major image leaks. The first surfaced from Igor Bogdanov, who shared photos of a prototype flown by a Chinese beta tester. Right away, the design stood out. A slightly larger frame, a beefier camera housing, and, for the first time in the Mini series, front-facing LiDAR sensors. Also visible were larger motors and fixed propellers with oversized prop guards. These guards reminded some people of the DJI Flip, raising concerns that DJI might be changing the design too much. But then came the second leak. A few days later, Mauro Tandoy shared a new photo showing a drone in midair, apparently after colliding with a mountain biker. This version of the Mini 5 Pro had foldable propellers, calming fears that DJI was moving away from its familiar Mini design. The drone still had the larger motors, confirming the likelihood of improved performance. The propeller guards seen in the earlier image were probably either optional accessories or meant for testing. One of the most interesting details from the leaks is the possibility that the Mini 5 Pro will qualify as an FAA Category 1 drone. This classification means it stays under 249 grams and can legally fly over people, as long as it has safety features like prop shields and remote ID. Leaked photos show lightweight prop cages and suggest remote ID is built in. If true, this could give pilots more flexibility, especially for filming events or flying in busy urban environments, without needing waivers or bulky add-ons. The addition of LiDAR suggests omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which would mark a big leap in capability for the Mini series. These sensors, along with AI flight features, could improve return-to-home accuracy and tracking performance dramatically. Meanwhile, new FCC filings show the drone may feature a 4,680 mAh battery, up from the Mini 4 Pro's 3,850 mAh. This could push flight time close to 50 minutes, which is unprecedented for a sub-250G drone. The range is rumored at 15.5 miles, giving it serious flexibility for pro users. From what we've seen so far, the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another upgrade, it's a major evolution. You're looking at a lightweight drone with advanced sensors, FAA-friendly features, longer flight time, better range, and a design that balances performance with portability. With a potential teaser dropping around July 31st and an official launch on August 7th, it looks like DJI is gearing up to change the game yet again.